guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. It has been a hot minute since I have sat down and been able to film a video. I've been in quite a bit of pain. It's not that I didn't have time to film, it's just that I've been really sick from my shoulder, my whole arm, my back, my neck, and I'm finally getting some answers, but unfortunately the pain relief has not begun yet, but it will. So that is why you have not seen me filming in quite some time. But I have two beautiful palettes, one of which I will be filming with today that I'm so excited to have here in my stash. And this first one is a Lavender Fields from Simply Posh Cosmetics. Thank you so much, Kayla, the owner of Simply Posh Cosmetics, for sending this palette my way. This palette is available right now for pre-order. It retails for $65. However, I do have an affiliate code, and that is Steff, and that will save you 10% off. I know you guys have seen this all over Instagram. I am so excited to have it here in my stash. Look at how beautiful it is. You're getting 12 matte shadows, and then the row in the middle are 6 specialty shadows. Simply Posh has a really nice formula. It's one of those formulas that I feel, especially the shimmer shadows, it just keeps getting better and better. So I'm so excited that I'll be creating 2 looks for you guys. 2 beautiful, hopefully beautiful looks that'll give you guys some inspiration. If you guys want to see how this all is going to play out, keep on watching. Okay, so let's start creating the first look. I have no idea what I'm wearing to work today, but I mean, look at these greens and these warm tones over here. Then you have a little bit of cool tones over here. And I'm going to do 2 different looks on each eye, or 1 look on each eye. So I think, you guys know I love green. I think I'm going to start here. I'm going to work with these three shades. So this one, and this one. And then we'll see where it goes from there. This first shade is called Soothing. And I'm taking it on a BK Beauty, what is this? A503 brush. Something else that happened, and I'm not going to show you, but you might get a glimpse of it because it's here on my right hand. I hurt my fingernail really bad, really bad, and a few days ago it fell off. I'm not gonna show it to you, but it didn't hurt when it fell off because there's a new nail growing. So I have a nail appointment later today. I'm gonna see what my nail artist recommends. I might just have to leave it alone so it can grow and breathe. And but yeah, I usually just do like a band-aid or something over it just so it doesn't look bad. And I don't know, but I've been going through it, guys. I've been going through it. I don't really want to get into all of the details, especially like with my health, because I am still finding things out. But and I'm looking for another brush right now. But everything is still a work in progress, and it's just really scary. I'm going to use a Refer 15 for the shade Pasture. It's the lighter green shade. I'm just going to focus that here, the crease. But it's been a little unsettling, and I've been in a lot of pain, to say the least. Now in a Refer 15 mini, I'm going in with the shade Fields, and I'm going to focus that right here in the outer corner. Such a beautiful shade. I think this is the shade, well, no, I think there's another shade that I might bring down to the lower lash line. Okay, so I think we have a nice blend, and I do think for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with, actually, let's punch it up a little bit. Let me try this purple shade, Lavender. Using my BH Cosmetics pencil brush to apply the shade. Purple and green is one of my favorite color combinations. Now for the lid, I think I want to do Serenity right here. I'm actually just going to pick it up with my finger and tap on. Oh, that looks pretty. It looks so different with the green underneath it. Very nice. A little bit of fallout, but I didn't apply glitter glue. For the inner corner, I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Harvest. Using my little BH Cosmetics pencil brush, and I did spray the brush after I picked up some of the product. I'm going to pop off camera to take care of finishing touches, clean up this little bit of fallout here, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 1. Alright guys, so here is the completed look number 1 with Lavender Fields from Simply Posh Cosmetics. I love the way this look turned out. A little Maybelline purple eyeliner on the bottom lash line, some Essence black mascara, and my lashes that I'm wearing. I've been wearing lashes quite a bit because that's pretty much all I've been doing to my eyes is just adding lashes. Are House of Lashes in the style Iconic. And I love it. I love this color combination. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. Okay, so for this second look, I want to utilize this shade here and maybe these shades right here. I kind of thinking I want to pack this shade all over and then use this shade to blend out. Let's see how that looks. So picturesque and therapeutic. I'm using a BK Beauty 203 to start applying. This part doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna put a shimmer over it, but I just need to make sure I have the pigmentation down where I want it, and then I'll get a smaller brush and we'll start blending in the crease. Now on a BK 211, I'm gonna go in with that shade Therapeutic, and this is what I'm gonna use to blend that crease out. Okay, I think I got a pretty decent blend here. The mattes are really nice and they're working really well. Okay, so I think it's time for us to play with some shimmers, and I really want to play with this one, Exquisite. Let's pick this one up. How beautiful that is. I'm going to apply right there, the inner half. Now you could do just one shimmer. Since I'm testing out the palette, I'd like to do another shimmer as well. And I think I'm going to do this one right here. Sweet Aroma. It's like a pink gold reflect on it. And then I'll get a little brush and kind of just blend the crease a little bit better. But I love mixing the shimmers. It's just so beautiful. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna do the shade right here, Essence. Going back to my little BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Now for the inner corner, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade, Graceful. And with that, I think I just need finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you all this completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 2. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. A ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade Crystal Crush, one of my favorite shades. I just wanted to kind of pop with the burgundy shade there on the lower lash line. And I really, again, love mixing the two different shimmers together. I definitely recommend using some glitter glue. I'm just kind of being fast about it since I'm getting ready for work, and I'm going to be removing one of these looks so that I can go to work with the same eye looks on. But other than that, I think I really love the way that these looks turned out. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on Lavender Fields from Simply Posh. All right, guys, so Lavender Fields, it feels like it's in a faux leather type of packaging, and I like that. This is typically the size of Simply Posh Cosmetics palettes. And again, this is on pre-order, and I think the expected ship date is like any day now. So definitely get your order in. You get a full-size mirror, and then here are your different pans that you can pop out and put them in your own palette if you choose to do so. I really love the 3 rows that Simply Posh gives us, because you can take each column up and down like that and create a look simply with those 3 shades. Or you can mix around the palette the way I like to do and create some fun looks. But usually the top row are the lighter mattes and the bottom row are the deeper mattes. So think something for the crease, think something for the outer corner and for the lower lash line, and then your fun shimmer shadows there in the middle that complement all of the mattes in this palette. It is an 18-pan palette. It's a beautiful palette. It's another winner for Simply Posh Cosmetics. It retails for $65, but if you want to save a little bit of money, who doesn't right now? My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off on their website. Let me know, guys. Let me know which look was your favorite. Are you team 1, team 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. Let me know if a Lavender Fields is going to find its way into your stash. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I'll see you soon. Bye.